Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to teach you how to do is how to find your fuse and how to find your OBD reader so you can plug it into the CPU. So all you need to do is come up to the left hand side here and we're going to grab our key and we're going to take off the rear seat first. And to take off the seat, it's just underneath here somewhere. There she goes, right there. So we're going to take that off. Put it off to the side, and we don't really need to take this big one off, so we can just actually leave it right on here. So let's scooch over here because everything is right here. Okay, so our fuse is right here. Just pull it out. You've got two fuses. You've got a blue one here and a yellow one here, and you'll notice that there's spares. So that one in the side pocket, that's the spare, and those are the two function fuses right there. And we can open that up and we see this is a 20 amp fuse. And we'll open the blue one up and we see that it is I think it's a 30 if I'm not mistaken. Actually it's a 45. So 20 in the yellow, 45 in the blue, and we can just shove that back over there. That's where it belongs. And then we get to this. So this is actually your OBD plug right here. And to plug it into the computer, all you need to do is you have to pull this off, this plug here. There we go, like that. And that's where the computer plugs into. I know it doesn't look like a regular OBD, but there's an adapter that goes on any OBD reader, and the adapter will plug right in there. And that's it. So that's it, guys. That's how you find where your CPU OBD reader is, and that's where you find where the fuses are.